We believe here on the other side of medicine that you are the most important thing and you deserve the best. And so we want to share all that we can with you. So your doctor hasn't learned about these things. Well, what hasn't your doctor learned about? Well, natural medicine, functional medicine, evidence-based natural medicine. And more specifically tonight, we're going to be talking about the gut and the relationship your gut health has to every aspect of your health, every part of your body, from your mind to your lungs, your heart, your liver, your skin, every part of your body. Nothing is excluded that is connected to your gut and what's going on inside your gut. So the first thing we want to really talk to you about is that there is a lot of things that are good about what modern medicine brings to the table. We have emergencies. Thank God we have modern medicine. We can go there and we can get sewed up, or we're cut, or we're in an accident, or we have a medical emergency. We have the best healthcare emergency system in the world, and we should be thankful for that. But when it comes to chronic disease, my friends, we're failing miserably. And if you look at statistics, it's overwhelming the amount of deaths that are caused by each year by the pharmaceutical industry, the mistakes that are made by doctors prescribing drugs, wrong drugs, or drugs that are toxic, drugs that have so many side effects. And drugs are the fourth leading cause of death here in this country. I don't know if you knew that or not, but the fourth leading cause of death here in this country. Over 100,000 deaths occur each year in this country alone from the mistakes, from the toxic side effects, from the harmful effects of medications. The fourth leading cause of death. I think it would be a good idea if you begin to search out and seek out options for your health that are much safer. And here on the other side of medicine, we believe in evidence-based natural medicine. And we operate, as you know, if you've been listening to the podcast long enough, that we operate on three very important principles. Common sense, which I think, have lost here in this country, especially in the medical field. Number one, common sense. Number two, we base everything we do on solid science, evidence-based natural medicine. That's what we're all about. And the third thing is cooperation with nature. You know, we've heard for a long time, you can't fool Mother Nature. And here on the other side of medicine, we want to cooperate with nature. We don't want to fool Mother Nature. We want to work hand in hand and try to help our bodies to activate our own body's healing system, to generate the body's ability to restore and reclaim our health. So over the past 35 years, I've been able to help people with chronic diseases. And we're going to be drawing on a lot of that information over the next year here on the other side of medicine. I'll be sharing with you a lot of the information. You'll hear about some of the testimonies of my patients. Many of them were told they had to have body parts surgically removed. They had to be on medication for the rest of their lives. These people are off the medication and their body parts are still intact, right where the good Lord intended them to be. And that's what I want for you. I want you to be able to have your body and to become independently healthy. That's what the other side of medicine is all about. And so we're looking at how to affect our health by helping to heal the gut. The gut is the grand central station of the body, my friend. And if you don't have good health in your gut, you're never going to have the ability to fight off disease, to prevent disease, to be able to live independently healthy a long life like you're supposed to. We should be living to 120 years old. And if you know anything about the blue zones, the people in the blue zones reach that old age in good health. Sometimes they'll die at 105 or 110. Who cares? If we get close to that 120 mark in good health, and that's where I want to be. I don't want to be end up there crippled and feeling that I can't get up to run or to swim or to bike. I want to be able to work in my garden and to be able to be active until I go to my grave. And I hope you do too. So what is that things that your doctor doesn't tell you about? Well, big pharmaceutical companies are literally, as I said earlier, putting blinders on your doctor's eyes so that they can't see the options that doctors could have. You know, it's all over the internet now. There's evidence-based natural medicine that has thousands, I'm talking about 30, 40, 50,000 research papers on the benefits of, number one, food is the best medicine, and then, of course, supplements and exercise and other lifestyle enhancing behaviors like a proper mindset. You know, stress management is so important for our well-being. And so this is the kind of things we incorporate in natural medicine. We look to help the body by recruiting that healing power and supporting it with all these lifestyle factors. This is lifestyle medicine. It's food is your best medicine, number one, but there are a lot of other variables. As I said, we need to put all these things together to be able to help our body to do what it does. Everything that we need to heal our bodies is right here. It's inside of us. We have been programmed to heal. There's two things we have to do. Number one, we need to have to remove things that irritate the body. And number two, we have to put back the things that are missing. And when you do that, the body will then unleash, it will unlock that healing power that's just waiting to be able to restore and help you to be able to reclaim your health.